Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8 by 10 inch canvas that I covered with my leftover pillow paint that had scribblings from the Prizm pours that I used yesterday. And I made my Prizm pours up with an ounce of polypore. And I'm trying to grab a container in the bottom of one of these little containers, and then I added color. And I've been having a little trouble with crazing because at first I didn't put any GAC 800 into my pillow paint, which was latex semi-gloss from Color Place, white paint from Walmart. Anyway, so today I've added a little bit of GAC 800 into all of my colors, which are over there, sort of like this. This is the only one that's not a Prizm pour. This one is a Mango Tango, which is a color art pigment. And I want to just play. I've got some pillow paint that I added the GAC 800 to, about 20%, and then I had some GAC 100 that I ordered by accident, or someone sent me by accident. In any case, I just figured I would like to do some weird stuff and see what happens. I wanted the pillow paint a little thinner. I'm also going to use some Meaden Black, which is just mixed with my regular Floetrol and GAC 800 mixture. That's the Mango Tango. I mixed up a big batch of, that is a schmutzy spoon. I don't want that spoon. I want a clean spoon. A big batch of a hot orchid, because I've never tried it with the vivid polypore. I'm going to double dose that. I'm so not used to using such heavy paints, but I'm working on it. I'm going to use a little bit of the Claret, which is absolutely fabulous. A little bit of the Water Dragon. I say these mostly to remind myself to include them for you in the video. A little bit of Frozen. And I like the squeeze bottle. I'm not sure that it's going to work yet, but I like the squeeze bottle. Just, that does not look mixed in. We'll just have a bit of a stir for a second. This is Blue Velvet. I want to get some red. I don't have any, and I would like to have some. I'm going to use some of this purple, which I'm not positive. Let's see, what could it be? It's either Twilight Violet or African Violet. And then I'm just going to dose it with a little more pillow paint. I don't think I'm going to wind up letting anything show through, but this is Amsterdam Black. I'm going to throw some gold in there. And where are you, gold? And then I might even take one of my tools. Just going to use a little more of that pillow paint right around there. And grab, yes, that's got some paint on it, either purple or white. There's the Amsterdam White in the Aussie Floetrol. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Kind of like that. think I'm going to use some of my purple and hit the bottom. Give it a bit of a shake also. This is dioxazine purple. It's a Hobby Lobby brand of Master's Touch. Seems to work really well with the Aussie Floetrol. And I don't mind the gray background in there. That's cool. I'm going to try and wreck this a little bit. Just pull a skewer through. Or a basting brush. Or, you know what I haven't used yet? I haven't used my little toothy tools. Now, I'm not sure about that yellow up there. It's not making me super happy. So I'm probably going to take a chance. What am I going to do? I'm going to put some blue right up there. That frozen is going to make me happier for sure. I like this down here. Take my pillow paint again. Some more Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam White. So far so good. I will still tip, but I've spread it out a lot more than it was. I do usually try and dump into a saucer just so I can keep my spinning area kind of clean. I am trying to learn to let the paint become as stretched out as possible, but I'm not very good at it yet. I'm definitely not super happy with that yellow, and I'm going to do something about it. I'm just not sure what that something is going to be yet. Might start by pulling it down toward the edge. This is going to be pretty cool. It was dry overnight, but it was also a very thin coat of paint. A little more yellow. Sometimes I take pictures of my paint dishes. After all, why not? I have been watching people scoop paint up off of one surface and put it down on another, and that's rather appealing to me, and I might want to do that with my paint dish. I think I could do that actually. Not 100% yet. I want that yellow to go somewhere else. We could just try and put it right back in, which is what I've been watching. Although I'm not sure about the yellow, I didn't really want that back in. I kind of think that's interesting. And I like it. It's a stage before I really know what I'm doing, where I get to play, that I like. I hope you can see how that shimmers. It's awesome. I like the little stripe. I can't point at it. Anyway, that looks like agate to me, with all the different patterns in there. I'm going to turn the lights back on. I'm not sure if it's going to be helpful or not, but that was an awful lot of fun to do. Thank you guys for joining me. I doubt whether there are very many disturbances in there, but you can't tell until you look under the light. think I like how the pillow paint, in this case anyway. That's so cool. Ha! Just leave my little... The colors are interesting, to say the least, and I'll be very interested to see how they dry. Got one little uncovered spot. But that was a lot of fun, and I'm going to check my edges, and I think they're pretty much mostly covered. I'm going to try and zoom in for you. In a moment. And I like that. It's very accidental, but it's still very cool. Let's see if we can get it a little more right in frame. Check that out. Cool colors. I like the adding the second stage to the first stage with the paint that came off the canvas. I'll be doing that again. That was a lot of fun. Let's see if I can show you the other way. Yeah, it looks like some beautiful stone. And I gotta set up a way to get it so that I can show you a better close-up, because I know I can't lift it up. Anyway, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for watching the commercials. Thank you for shopping my link tree and finding my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my Legallerist clothing made in Montreal that's investment quality, and my Society 6 stores there. Also, I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and if you want to reach me for the purchase of an artwork or inquiring about a lesson, please use the email address below the link tree. If you don't see the link tree immediately, I promise you it's there. It's blue. Thank you guys for all the comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Look for the 20% off coupon. I see that thing that does not belong. I will be searching through this with tweezers for any lumps, but the patterns in here are tremendous. I love them. And the colors are different than anybody else's, which doesn't make me unhappy in the least. I love you guys. Check out more than my 2,300 videos organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. And if you need a link, ask me. But if you want to look for yourself, look on my channel playlists. My channel for playlists, for all playlists and created playlists. Underneath the video, you'll see spring clothing, and if you can't find what you're looking for there, just ask me, because I can add designs from YouTube, or any of my photographs, really. I can add to spring clothing, which is not Teespring anymore. It's spring, so I'll get that right someday. What have I not told you? I'm not sure. I think I told you everything really fast. Oh, my Amazon link is on the link tree, and it really helps if you shop anything on Amazon starting at my link, but you will find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first and the second 100 videos, and all tools, all ingredients, and all processes. They're pretty cool. I love you guys. Make sure to check the drawing prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen. If you are a contributor through PayPal, you will be automatically invited to enter the monthly drawing. And you can find another link on the link tree for PayPal. And if you use it, you'll get an invitation. I love you guys. Thank you for helping. Check out the ornaments I have on FineArtAmericaPixels.com these days. Or go to my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. You'll occasionally see my posts from Fine Art America there, but mostly my posts from Fine Art America and Pixels.com and Society 6 and Teespring and all the rest of them wind up on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. Alright, check my community board for tomorrow's video. Please ask me questions if you'd like to. I post 7 days a week, 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right at the moment, and I'm not sure what time I'll be posting when this comes out, but when I made it, it was 12:45. So, bye for now. I hope you guys do well. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.